Hey, it's Kumar here and I wanted to introduce you to Trade to Success University. Now this is usually a paid course that I include as part of my Trade to Success Academy, but I've decided that I'm going to drop the entire course here on my YouTube channel completely for free. That's right folks, for anyone that has ever wanted to delve into the world of trading or even create a lifestyle trade in the forex market, then this is for you. Even if you're a complete newbie, once you've been through this entire course, you're going to be equipped with a skill set you might never have thought possible. So just keep a lookout for videos with TTSU in the title for this series. Videos from this course will be dropping daily, including downloadable PDFs for you to keep and always refer to at your convenience. Now I must reiterate, this is usually a paid course, so make sure you take advantage while you can and get full access completely for free. This is by far the best beginner's course to trading and subsequently the most solid way to becoming financially independent working from home. So the only thing you need to do is to make sure that you've subscribed to the channel and hit that bell notification so you always know when the next training video drops. Also, don't forget to click on the link in the description so I can send you the PDF trainings. And leave some comments and let me know how you're getting on. I love to hear my student success stories, and believe me, once you graduate Trade to Success University, you're going to have plenty to share. So that's it folks, once again subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and the best of luck on your trading journey.